Tired of spending hours crafting manually RFP responses? What if you could transform that process from hours to minutes, right inside Google Workspace? Let me introduce you to Sam, the AI RFP Copilot, that lives right inside Google Workspace. Let's see Sam in action for answering an RFP in Google Sheets. As you can see here, I have a very detailed RFP, and on the sidebar I have Sam helping me. What I want to do is I want to answer all these 6 questions. I'm going to select the range here, and I'm going to select also the output range. I can prepend some text to the question if I want, then I select the answer type, in this case short, and ask Sam. As you can see, all the questions were answered. Now I can either answer any other column or keep answering more questions. And that's it. You just saw how easy to answer your RFP right inside Google Sheets. Now let me show you how Sam works inside your Google Docs. So here we have a technical RFP for Hey Sam, and here on the sidebar we have Sam. I'm going to select my product and I'm going to do a magic scan. So what's happening right now, Sam is trying to take all the questions in this document. Okay, now all the questions were detected, and you may notice that there are placeholders where the answer is going to be placed. Why we need those placeholders? That is because you may want one type of answer and then another type of answer to be located in that position. So for that reason we are putting the placeholders. But don't worry, those placeholders then can be removed. All my questions were detected, and now I can select which format do I want the answer to be. I can select again short, long, yes and no, documentation and sources. I can select one or multiple. In this example I'm going to use the long, and now I can select how many questions and to answer. We can select, for example, next 5 questions, all unanswered question, or all questions. And also we can answer question by question by clicking on here. Yeah, so in this example, let's click on this one. Okay, now we have the long answer here, and yes, you may notice the placeholder is still there. Why? Because if now we want, for example, to put a short answer, we can do it. And we can keep answering all the questions. For example, now let's answer the next 5 questions. Here the answer is appearing. If Sam is not confident about a given answer, he's going to tell it. Let's say that we already finished the document, all the questions were answered, so now I can clear all the markers. And that's it. So now what will remain will be to fine-tune this document. What it used to take hours, now it can be done in a few minutes. Are you ready to empower your team and improve your processes? So go and check out Hey Sam site. You can find more information about our RFP Copilot in heysam.ai.